How to buy Neptune in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to buy Neptune in Fishdom. Buying Neptune in Fishdom is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Fishdom app. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to the store. In the aquarium, look for an option to buy decoration, fish or item. Tap on the store icon or the plus symbol. Look for Neptune. Neptune is usually a special limited time decoration or fish, so it might be found under the special offers, decoration or rare fish section. Check the price. Neptune might be available for purchase using coins or diamond. Check the price and make sure you have enough required currency. Buy Neptune. Tap on Neptune and then tap the buy button to purchase. If it's available for coin or diamond, confirm your purchase. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy Neptune in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.